I am, my dear.
Oh my gosh, am I dead? Did nursing school finally kill me?
No, my dear, I am here to help you.
Help me? How?
Well, I heard your lament for help in my self-care deficit theory of nursing. Let's start with the basics. Can you define self-care?
Well, in your book, it states there are activities that individuals initiate and perform on their own behalf in maintaining life, health, and well-being.
Very good. Well, what kind of activities will self-care include?
Activities such as sufficient intake of air, water, food, and finding a balance between activity and rest.
Yes, in my theory, I make a few major assumptions. One of them is that people should be self-reliant and responsible for their own care and others and their family needing care.
Yes, I remember reading that, but I just don't understand what this has to do with defining nursing.
Well, that's where self-care deficit comes into play.
Could you give me an example?
I'll show you an example.
I'm Arthonia, Queen of the Britons. I seek the finest and bravest knights to join me at my court of Camelot. Will you join me? You make me sad. So be it. Come, Patsy.
None shall pass.
What?
None shall pass.
I have no quarrel with you, good Sir Knight, but I must cross this bridge.
Then you shall die.
Command you as Queen of the Britons to stand aside.
I move for no man.
So be it.
Ew! Oh my god! Ew! 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 Oh my gosh. What does this have to do with... Oh, he just lost his arms!
Tis a flesh wound.
And his legs.
I've had worse.
Hell.
And that is the self-care deficit.
Oh, this makes total sense now. Thanks, Dr. Orem. What is she bunny? That bunny was terrifying.
So, my dear, do you understand the self-care deficit theory now?
I believe I do. It occurs when a person is no longer able to maintain life and wellness because of illness or injury. When there is a deficit in self-care, a nurse is needed. Nurses fill the deficit with their special knowledge and skills. In summary, Orem's self-care deficit theory of nursing involves three sub-theories: the theory of self-care, the theory of self-care deficit, and the theory of nursing systems.
Self-care is the responsibility of all mature individuals and involves activities that maintain one's health and well-being. Such activities include eating, drinking, going to the bathroom, and sleeping.
A self-care deficit happens when an individual is no longer able to care for himself due to illness or injury. Like when I lost all my limbs. A self-care deficit specifies when a nurse is needed.
Oh, hello. The theory of nursing systems describes how the patient's self-care needs will be met by the nurse. This includes Orem's version of the nursing process.
One major advantage of my nursing theory is that it can be applied to all instances of nursing. So, use it in your hospital today.